I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select a trigger SiteOrigin. Now, click on the Fetch button. Go to your contact form and fill it out to retrieve the SiteOrigin. Go back to your integration site. Here you can see that it has been successfully fetched. Set action. Search and select the action MailBluster. Connect to MailBluster. MailBluster connected successfully. Next, map the respective fields. Under the Actions, click on the Status checkbox and choose a subscriber status. Click on the Lists checkbox and choose a list. Click on the Tags checkbox and choose Tags. Here are the advanced features in conditional logics. You can use it for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Then go to the MailBluster dashboard and click on the subscribers. Here you can see that the data has been come successfully in the MailBluster subscribers. Thanks for watching.